Hello everybody, this is Ed. Welcome to our Costa Rica life. Today I'm going to do a jalapeno vinegar. We found these awesome jalapenos at the farmer's market the other day. And then I did a little looking on recipes. What I decided to do is this one with about equal parts of jalapenos, the red and the green, and some carrots, some red onion, peeled and crushed garlic, cilantro, sea salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, and white vinegar because it's going to be boiled anyway. And it said sterilize and then pack your jar. I've got this jar ready. I've got one more to go. My cilantro roots and my carrots, I'm going to put them into the garden, and I'll get some. That's topic for another video. So I'm going to boil the other ingredients here, and then I'll come back. And here is my white vinegar, sugar, salt, cilantro, all boiled. Don't have to boil it long, just bring it to a bubble. And then I filled one of my jars already. And so there it is. Let it sit for a little bit and I'll put the lid on it. This is my second one. Got my metal funnel, so I don't have to worry about plastic. Okay, a little wobbly there. So I'll fill this one up. Again, let them cool a little bit, put them in the refrigerator. They say they should, in the recipes I looked at, said they should. Well, that was embarrassing, but we're trying to be uncensored here. Show you all of it and not make everything all total pretty and everything. So anyway, I spilled some. I think I didn't really spill that much. So I'll finish pouring the vinegar in these, put them in the refrigerator and a little bit here, and they say it should be good for about 6 months. In a few days or so, I'll try it and maybe get back to you about that. But I'm looking forward to this. Okay, thanks for looking at our Costa Rica life. You never know what you're going to find here. We're going to try and show you a little bit of everything we're up to. Bye for now. Adios.
If you liked our videos and you want to help us keep them free, click the subscribe button below. Have a great day.